Good morning, student. Today we are going to write the second question, which is given in your workbook. The second question is: now see which of these eight points are covered points are covered in the other invitations in the other invitations and oral invitation a notice and another oral invitation another oral invitation. Here the question is given. Now see which of these 8 points are covered in the other invitations: an oral invitation, a notice and another oral invitation. The 8 points means the 8 questions which you wrote in your notebook in the previous period. Here a box is given. The number of the points are given here. Points covered. We have 4 parts. Means part A. In part A, there is a formal invitation. In B, notice for a school notice board. In C, there is a invitation through a telephone conversation, and D is a message given by the student to his parents. 8 points are given here. Point number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here a table of 8 points is given. The first question is who is inviting, who is sending, giving the information. Tick right here. In the first it is given, means who is giving the invitation. In second, third and fourth it is not mentioned. Then second question is what is program? What is the program? It is given in A, then it is given in B, in C it is not given, and in D it is given. Then third point is what is the name of the project? What is the name of the project? A, B, in C it is not given, and in D it is given. Then the fourth number point is who will inaugurate? Who will inaugurate? Fourth number point In A it is given, in B it is given, in C it is not given, and in D it is given. 5 number point is who will preside over the function. In 5 number, the point is who will preside over the function. It is given in A, B, not mentioned in C and D. Not mentioned in C and D. Then 6 number point is what time will be the function start. The time of the function is given in all 4 notice board, means in notice board, in invitation, then in to conversation it is given. Then 7 number point is where will it take place. Where will it take place? It is given in A, B, not given in C and given in D. Means where the function is going to take place, it is mentioned in A, B and D, not in C. And then 8 number point is how many names get mentioned in the invitation. In A, the names given number is 6, 2, 1 and 2. In 8 numbers point, in A means in formal invitation, the number of person mentioned 6, in B persons mentioned 2 and number of person in C1 and in D 2 persons. In this way we fulfill this table. Write down this in your notebook. Look student, here next question is given to you. Prepare a formal invitations for a function you have arranged at home. Use following points. Some points are given here. Write down these points in your notebook. The first point is who is inviting people to the function. Second point is what the program is. Third point is the date and time of the program. Fourth is the venue, means the place where the program is going to take place. And fifth point is a polite request to attend it. A polite request to attend the program. First write down these points, then I will give you the answer. Students, for a formal invitation we need a box. The first point is who is inviting people to the function. Draw this box in your notebook. The first point is given who is inviting people to the function. Means here at the top the name of the person is mentioned. Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni request to. Who is sending the invitation? Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni request to. Then here Kumar, Kumari. With their parents. Below that, with their parents. They are invited with their parents. On the occasion of on the occasion of 15th birthday of their daughter. 15th birthday of their daughter. They are inviting for the 15th birthday of their daughter. The name of the daughter is Arya Kulkarni. The name of the daughter is given Arya Kulkarni. Then the venue means the place where the function is going to take place. At 22 Vikas apartment, Main Street, Jalgaon. Main Street, Jalgaon. Then the date is date and date on Monday. The date is 9 January 2020. At time 6 p.m. Generally we celebrate birthday in the evening. So here the time of evening is given 6 p.m. And in this way we prepare here a formal invitation. In the starting, the first point we cover, the first point is who is inviting people to the function. Means Mr. and Mrs. Kulkarni are inviting for the function. What is the program is? Then the program is given, means on the occasion of 15th birthday of their daughter. Then the date and the time of the program. Then date and time is given here, and the venue means the place where the program is going to take place. In this way we see we fulfill the table regarding the 8 questions, and then we saw a formal invitation. And in our next period, we will take the new question. Thank you.